Falcon Ridge delivers rugged accessory solutions to adapt your UTV for the great outdoors. The Trailhead Side View Mirror kit from Falcon Ridge brings convenience and versatility to your vehicle. The housing is made with structurally reinforced impact-resistant thermoplastic and high-grade 304 stainless steel hardware. The shatter-resistant convex glass mirror affords a broad range of angle adjustment. The low-profile mounting bracket features a 3-axis adjustable clamp designed to accommodate any raked-back or upright roll cage angle pillar. And color cap kits are available to customize your mirrors any way you like. With innovative products for dynamic UTV users, Falcon Ridge delivers outstanding solutions that give you the confidence to get things done.